Welcome to Lagupata, a short and apt video tutorial of virtual lab experiments. In Google, search for virtual lab or directly go to vlab.co.in. This virtual lab is a project initiated by Ministry of Human Resource Development under the National Mission on Education through ICT. There are total 12 participating institutes which are responsible for the development and outreach activities of virtual lab. The names of the participating institute is displayed here. Virtual lab serves to 9 broad areas of science and engineering. User can explore these labs in two ways, one through domain wise and one more through participating institute wise. I am going inside civil engineering. In domain wise, user will get the labs developed by participating institute particular to that domain. From NITK Surathkal, we are offering 8 civil engineering labs, namely Strength of Material, Fluid Mechanics, Transportation Engineering, Environmental Engineering 1 and 2, Mining Geology, Marine Structures, and Fluid Machinery. I am going inside Strength of Material lab. It gives a brief introduction about the lab, list of experiments involved in this lab, target audience, courses covered in this, prerequisites to run the experiments. Click on list of experiments. Here you can see the names of the experiments which is there under this lab. Click on any of the experiment. It consists of detailed theory of that particular experiment, then the procedure which explains how to carry out the simulation. Self-evaluation and quiz. This is to evaluate the user knowledge before and after carrying out the simulation. Now go to simulator. You can carry out this simulation by using procedure given in this, or in Google search for Lagupata. Go to the Lagupata of that particular experiment.
Welcome to Lagupata from Solve, the virtual lab. The objective of this simulation is to determine the indentation hardness of mild steel, cast iron, brass, aluminium, etc. using Brinell hardness testing machine. The setup used for this simulation is shown here. Throughout,
Lagupata explains simulation in brief. You can refer to Lagupata for other experiments too. Thank you.